Okay, this is step 5. In this step we will be matching these top corners. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to look around the cube for two corners that are already matching. So these corners are matching, so that will be our back face. Now there's a certain algorithm that you have to follow, and the algorithm is right counterclockwise, front clockwise, right counterclockwise, back 180 degrees, right counterclockwise, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, back 180 degrees, and right 180 degrees. Now you see we've matched these, so these centers are all the same, and we have finished this side. So now we have 1, 2, 3 sides finished, and now we just have to solve these centers for the very top, and you will be done. So thank you for tuning in for step 5, and please see step 6 in my tutorial.